creative mini garden ideas in small planter pots. Welcome to our channel. Today we are dividing into a wonderful world of mini gardens. Whether you have a tiny apartment, balcony or a small patio or just corner of your home, you can still enjoy the beauty of gardening with smaller plants. In this video, we will explore some creative ideas to transform these petite container into a stunning mini garden that will bring joy and tranquility to any space. If you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. I'm making videos about garden decoration, garden landscape, garden patio design, garden beds, flower. So please like the video, click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Visit my channel, see all about videos about garden and more home decor. So enjoy the video. Maximize space by going vertical. Use tiered or a staked planter pots to create vertical garden that add dimension to your space. You can plant trailing vines, cascading flower or herbs in each tier, creating a lush greenery wall. Vertical garden are perfect for small balconies or walls with a limited floor space. Celebrate the changing seasons by creating mini garden that reflects the time of year. For example, plant spring bulbs like tulips and daffodils in small planter pots for a burst of color in a springtime. In the fall, fill pots with a miniature pumpkin and nice for a festival, autumn and display. Watch with a little creative and imagination, small planter pots can be transformed in an enhancing mini garden that bring a nature in any space. No matter how small, whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these ideas for sure and inspire your creative own miniature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share, subscribe for more inspiration and gardening tips.